In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 4 online on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up GTA 4 online to work on PC. As you might be aware, because of some updates that Rockstar Games did, the online functionalities on PC have been broken since then. So in order to fix this, you need to follow these steps and download this tool called Grand Theft Auto Connected. As the name suggests, this is going to allow you to connect to the online servers and play with other people in GTA 4 on PC. It also has features for GTA 3, Vice City, and San Andreas, but we're going to be focusing on GTA 4 on this video specifically. So just go over to gtaconnected.com or look for this tool on Google, and in here select downloads. First, choose Grand Theft Auto Connected 1.6.10 or whatever version is available and download the standalone client. Once you download this file, you will be able to run the executable to go through setup. While the setup is running, go over to the wiki. Something else that we will need to do is patch our game. The current version of GTA 4 is broken, so we have to go over here under Game Support, so click on Wiki, and under Game Support, go over to Patching. You will find for GTA 4, click here, so select this option, and you will be able to download either version 1.0.8 or 1.0.7. They recommend 1.0.8, and it's the one that I'm going to be showcasing here, but the process is the same for both. I recommend that you do your own research on what of each of these versions offer, but for the most part, there is more modding support on 1.0.7, so remember that. Regardless, after you download either of these versions, you will get this retail folder inside of the zip file. You don't need to go inside, just back out of here, and now you are going to be dragging this retail folder into the game's installation. To do this, if you are playing through Steam, right-click Grand Theft Auto 4, go over to Manage, and then browse local files. If you are not playing on Steam, you just have to go over to where the game is installed on your computer. Now, inside of the game's installation folder, you will be able to find GTA 4. Open this folder and now drag the retail folder inside of here. Now, I already have it listed here, so I'm not going to worry about this. So now you should have Grand Theft Auto 4, GTA 4, and then retail, and then GTA 4.exe. Now, open Grand Theft Auto Connected. You should see a launcher similar to this one, and all that you have to do now is go over to Tools, Game Settings, make sure that you select Grand Theft Auto 4 from the game drop-down list, and then in there you will also be able to set up the game path. So when you go over to Browse, you will have to go to where it is installed. If you are playing through Steam using the default path, it's going to be Program Files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Grand Theft Auto 4, GTA 4, Retail, and then GTA 4.exe. If it is on a different path, just make sure that you select the appropriate path and you find where the GTA 4 executable inside of the retail folder is located. Afterwards, you will be able to browse through all of the servers and join any of them by double-clicking. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 4 online on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.